Welcome to Primates. So the big news is out. The most awaited news, that is the reduction of syllabus by CBSE, is finally out. So CBSE has released the PDF of all the topics that have to be covered in the CBSE Board Class 10th. So we'll be discussing all those topics that are removed. So let's discuss the topics removed that you don't have to study this year. So we'll discuss the topics removed chapter wise. In chapter 1 real numbers, you don't have to do the Euclid's division lemma. The questions of this topic you will find in exercise 4.1, so you don't have to do them. In chapter 2, you don't have to do the division algorithm of the polynomials and the relationship between the zeros and coefficients of the cubic polynomial. You will find the questions in exercise 2.3, and for cubic polynomial you will find questions in the optional exercise 2.4, the question numbers 1 and 2. You don't have to do these questions. In chapter 3, the cross multiplication method is removed. You only have to do elimination and substitution method. This method is removed. You will not get questions from this method. Similarly, in chapter 4, the completing the square method is removed. You don't have to study this method now for calculating the roots of the quadratic equation. Only the middle term splitting method and the quadratic formula. Completing the square method you don't have to do. Next is our chapter 5, arithmetic progression. In this all the topics are there, still there, the general form and the sum of the first n terms. You have to do both the topics. आपको बस कुछ questions नहीं करने. You don't have to do some questions, that are the word problems. Word problems, sum of n terms, इनके word problems नहीं करने आपको. Next is triangles. Triangles में दो important theorems के proof remove हो चुके हैं. The first theorem is the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of their corresponding sides. And the next one is the converse of the Pythagoras theorem, the last theorem you can say. These two theorems are completely removed. Their proofs you don't have to do. You can just read the statements for your knowledge, but the proof is not in syllabus anymore. In coordinate geometry, area of the triangle, the complete exercise is removed, the third exercise. 7.3 in your NCERT. This is completely removed. This topic is removed. In chapter 8 trigonometry, you don't have to do questions related to complementary angles. You will find these questions in exercise 8.3 of your book. So you don't have to do those particular questions which involves complementary angles, ratios of the complementary angles. In chapter 9 applications of trigonometry, there is no deletion. You have to do the complete chapter. Similarly, in chapter 10 circles, there is no deletion. You have to do the complete chapter. In chapter 11 constructions, there were two important constructions of the circle and similar triangles. The construction of similar triangles is removed. You don't have to do that. You will find these questions in exercise 11.1. You don't have to do these questions. Next is our chapter 12, areas related to circles. All the topics are still there in this chapter. Only the questions which involve central angle of 120 degrees. Those questions are removed. कुछ थर्ड एक्सरसाइज में आपके कुछ इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस होंगे जहां पर यहाँ सेंट्रल एंगल हमारा 120 डिग्री आ रहा होगा. दोज क्वेश्चंस यू डोंट हैव टू डू. ये क्वेश्चंस नहीं पूछे जाएंगे अब आपके एग्जाम में. चैप्टर 13 सरफेस एरिया एंड वॉल्यूम्स, इसमें से पूरा एक टॉपिक रिमूव हो गया है. दैट इज द फोर्थ एक्सरसाइज ऑफ योर एनसीईआरटी. फ्रस्टम ऑफ कोन, यू डोंट हैव टू डू दैट. इट इज नॉट देयर इन योर सिलेबस, नॉट एनी मोर. Next is our chapter 14. इसमें भी 2 to 3 topics are removed. Step deviation method. Mean calculate करने के लिए there are 3 methods in your book. Assume mean method, step deviation method. उसमें से आपको step deviation method नहीं करना है अब. Bimodal situations के questions जिसमें मोड 2 आ सकती हैं, वो नहीं करने अब क्वेश्चंस. यू डोंट हैव टू डू द क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी ग्राफ. जो लास्ट एक्सरसाइज में हम ग्राफ्स प्लॉट करते थे, यू डोंट हैव टू डू दीज क्वेश्चंस नाउ. इन द लास्ट चैप्टर, चैप्टर 15, देयर इज नो डिलीशन. You have to do the complete chapter, probability. You will find the link to the official PDF from the CBSE site in the description box. So if you want, you can download it and read it on your own. This PDF, आपको description box में ये PDF मिल जाएगी. So all the best to all the students. Stay safe and do well in your exams in this year. CBSE 2020-21.